Welcome to BALCO'S installation demo for the 9W expansion joint system. It's simple to assemble and install with a clean aluminum exterior. It handles seismic, thermal, and wind movement per AS/TME 1399. Comes standard with a water barrier, and fire-rated options are available. Let's get started. The first step is inserting gaskets. Start by selecting your gasket and base member, then insert the gasket into the base member. Slide it into the channel until it sits flat and secure, taking care not to stretch it. Repeat for every base member you're working with. The second step is installing the fire barrier. If your system includes one, install it now, following the applicable instructions. Step 3 is installing the water barrier. Follow the EPDM water barrier installation instructions closely for this part of the install. Step 4 is drilling the substrate for your base member fasteners. Using the base member as a template, ensure it is level and properly aligned. Then, mark your anchor locations on the substrate. Remove the base member and drill the substrate at each marked point, drilling deeper than the anchor length. Clear away the dust and debris. Then repeat this process for the opposite side of the joint. Step 5 is installing the base members. Take your base member and set it into its installed position, making sure it's level and properly aligned. Then attach it using the anchors and washers provided. Repeat this process for the opposite side of the joint. Then, repeat steps 4 and 5 for each section of base members. Be sure to leave a 1/8 inch gap between adjoining base members. This gap allows for thermal expansion. Step 6 is splicing the base members. Use a splice cover as your guide and apply a sealant bed where the two sections meet. Then apply a continuous bead of sealant to either side of the splice. Place the splice cover onto that sealant bed and press firmly into place. Then secure the splice cover by drilling through and fastening it to one base member. Once that side is done, repeat the same process for the opposite side of the joint, and then repeat again for every base member splice. Step 7 is inserting the centering bars. First, locate the notches at the center of each base member. Then insert spheres of centering bars into the tracks of both base members. Continue to install centering bars into the joint diagonally, parallel to each other. This is correct. This is incorrect. Step 8 is installing the cover plate. Place the cover plate next to and in line with the base member, then measure the distance of each anchor hole from the end. Align the centering bar anchor holes with those measurements. On wall applications, use painter's tape to hold the centering bars in place. You can also use a square as an alternative method for aligning the anchor holes. Then place the cover onto the joint and align it with the base members. Insert a bolt into each anchor hole and tighten each bolt by hand. But don't over-tighten them. Then repeat steps 7 and 8 for each section of cover plates. Moving on to splicing the cover plate. Select a splice cover and peel back the protective film of the covers. Use the splice cover as your guide for applying the sealant bed, then apply a continuous bead of sealant to either side of the splice. Place the splice cover onto the sealant bed and press firmly. Secure the splice cover by drilling and fastening to one cover, but don't drill through the base members. Then repeat this process for every cover splice. Step 14 is installing the transition cover. Use the cover end cap as your guide for applying the sealant. Then peel back the protective coating and apply a continuous bead of sealant. Place the end cap onto the sealant bed and press firmly. Secure the cover end cap by drilling through and fastening it to the cover. Again, taking care not to drill through the base members. Complete all transitions and flashing in accordance with BALCO shop drawings, details, and industry best practices. Once construction is complete, peel off all the protective film to reveal the finished system. And that wraps up the installation. That's the 9W expansion joint system, built for exterior wall and roof applications, simple to install and engineered to perform in real-world conditions. For full installation instructions, technical data, and more, head to balcousa.com or scan the QR code on the screen.